Here we come to the regular passenger elevator at the BHG Mall on Changying Street in Beijing, China. This one's kind of small. This one's a Kone as well. B1. There's plenty more elevators exactly like these, so I don't think I'm gonna bother filming all of them. Ooh, nice startup. 3. I'll go back down to 1, and we'll end there. I'm not sure what kind of fixtures these are. It's definitely gotta be an eco disc because I just heard the brakes. And there goes the up chime. All right, there it goes, and that's it.